Hello, my name is Adam Perry. I'm here 33. I am from Pasto. You are listening relative English aspire score to respect with what is going accept and as a rule with lot of the English idiom. You are on try 34 non-artists spike from 4 different countries, proving as there they have different accents. They do your time, um, uh, your core students 30 converts. Under the language is spike. What language was what? Portuguese. What are they mm, those do for uh, save Steve? What do something every day? So defines a good every day. What is racing prey day proportion? Tennis career. You have to something different every day to where different score and different voice. What kinds of glass brand were you rate? There begins of the one the make a student adore their practice every day. A perfusion scribe on rear in weird standing and die of everything to the practice in English. What you feel your band during the practice every day of the ones tree through the dance listening practice die die bye bye.